So my Harbor Freight welder, Chicago Electric, quit working. I've only used it like 3 times, so I was quite surprised. But decided to pop it open and see what's going on. And I had continuity from here. Just checked through the insulation there, all the way to there. So I know it's good to the coil there. And then I checked for continuity from here out to the end, which it should have, and I wasn't getting anything. So I pulled this off of here, and you can see that wire that transfers the power just comes up in there. So there's no connection there that could have any issue. So followed it out to the end here, loosened these screws, popped this open, and look at this. That's, I believe, the problem. So it almost looks like they forgot to crimp it. I'm going to pull that connector out, get a better look, and maybe it just needs to be shoved in and crimped better. So here's that fully out of the little trigger assembly. Yeah, it looks like it just didn't crimp very well for whatever reason, so I need to get a new connector attached right there. But I think once that's attached better, it will probably work again. I think I got it secured in there better, so I'm going to go ahead and put it back on and see if it works. So now I think we should have continuity from right here to right here. That we do. Where we didn't have that before, and then from here, this is the ground side, to there. So now I think it actually will work. Before, when I was checking from here out to the end wire, I wasn't getting any continuity. But now we are. So, yeah, let's try it. Should be good. Alright. Turned on. I don't know what the settings are. I think it's on max, but you can see now we have power again. So it was indeed just a little loose connection in there. Not a big deal. This particular welder I picked up as a returned item, so they told me I couldn't have any warranty beyond like 30 days, and it's already past that. So I was like, well, I better just open it up and see what's going on. I maybe could have gone to Harbor Freight and begged them to have mercy and give me a different welder, but that wasn't too bad to just dig into there. So yep, everything's fine. So you might just want to check out your connections, make sure that stuff got crimped properly and it's not just loose in there. So anyway, hope you enjoyed, and I'll talk to you later.